So a couple of quick thoughts for you. We just had our cone beam x-ray machine, our Kavo OP3D Pro, installed yesterday. It was an adventure. The delivery guys showed up earlier in the morning, about 8 o'clock, to drop off the unit. It was installed, actually attached to the wall and the floor. And about, I don't know, maybe it was 10 o'clock or so, maybe 11 o'clock, the service technician began working with Kavo to calibrate and finish the setup for the machine. So that process took us about 10 hours. Don't know what the issue was. I don't think there was anything specific that happened or didn't happen. With the amount of precision required with that machine, it just took some time. So we got the machine installed, got it calibrated, and this morning we had our first training with a Kavo certified 3D trainer, Jenny. She came out. She spent the whole day with us. The first few hours of the day we had blocked off, no patients. It was the whole team, front and back office, providers and assistants, and all our front office support staff, going through training about the basics of setup and positioning, etc., etc. And then we had some patients in the afternoon, a pretty busy afternoon. It was great. It was amazing. Maybe I should more clearly say it was mind-blowing. I have no idea how I practiced dentistry for the last 14, almost 15 years without having a 3D machine in my office at my disposal. I don't know. It's amazing now to imagine and to be able to see how much I was missing before with just 2D x-rays. So pretty incredible stuff, pretty amazing to be able to identify. The first thing we've noticed now is we can critique our own endo, our own root canals, other providers' root canals, and we can now identify abscesses that are invisible on two-dimensional x-rays. It's amazing. And I've got some that I'll share here in a video when I get some time to put it together. These next few days, couple of weeks, are going to be really, really dense for me as far as time commitments are concerned, so it may take a little while to put some videos together, which is one of the reasons why you oftentimes see me making videos while I'm driving, because I have very little time sometimes outside of driving to create video content. But I should be able to put together some very meaningful stuff. I've got a webinar on Monday that I'm preparing for, a lot going on. I've got some meetings tomorrow night, and then a talk I'm giving in church on Sunday. So a lot of my time is already spoken for, but I'll create some good content going through some of these cone beams, some of the 3D x-rays that we have now. It's amazing. It's really fantastic. I'm really excited, looking forward to it. They told us that having the 3D machine will take your practice diagnosis and treatment planning practice to the next level. I didn't really believe them until now. I'm seeing that it's a dramatic shift, a dramatic uptick in what I can see. Still learning the software, still figuring out how the software works relative to diagnosis and identification and showing patients. A little bit of a learning curve there. But it's going to be mind-blowing. Really looking forward to seeing long-term how our increase in diagnostic visibility and capabilities affects our patients' long-term health and welfare. So really exciting stuff. Thanks for watching. Again, I will create some content, actual video content of me walking through some of these cone beams, showing you what I'm seeing and some of my thoughts here over the next couple of weeks, hopefully. Thanks. Bye.